Howdy kids, check out this nice ribbon and the plastic cover I bought from AliExpress for my DJI Remote Controller. My main reasons for buying this is to avoid sticking protective screen tape on the controller, since I heard it causes glare. To be able to safely store the controller in the bag without unmounting the joysticks every time. And to possibly provide some small screen shade for flying in those sunny Israeli days. And lastly, it was very cheap, so why not try it? Basically, it is a nicely packaged 3D printed cheap plastic with a hinge and a couple of screws. It is easily attaches to the controller and it sits tightly enough. It has 2 operating angles and it does indeed provide a little shade. The ribbon is also good enough, but the metal parts do stick a bit inside the bag. Overall, it's a nice product for the price, and it does what it's supposed to do well enough. I recommend you give it a go. For your convenience, I put a link to this product in this video description. Stay in school.